Hello everyone, Janna is here, and in this video, as usual, I'll share with you results of this trading week and also my technical overview for gold for the coming week. As you can see, guys, right now I'm showing you the results in my terminal. This week I made slightly more than 17,000, and I also have floating one trade sell which I left on. And I have right now about 8,500. And once again, I want to share with you my free Telegram channel where I'm sending my pending orders and also instant trades. And as you can see, guys, that's what my Telegram channel looks like. We had quite a lot of trades this week I was sharing with you, and my official address, as you can see, Janna FX. Okay, so once again, repeating to you guys, all other Telegram channels have nothing to do with me, and they're all scammers and fake. Okay, so this is the only official my Janna FX Telegram channel. And as usual, you can find links in the description under this video. The EA I use in my daily trading, you can also find the link in the description, and also the brokers I'm working with. So if you have any questions, you can also send me an email, and you can find address is in the description of this channel. Okay, so now let's look at technical overview of the week, what I was expecting, and what I will be looking for this coming week. Okay, so just trying to make a bit bigger screen so we will have a little bit more view in here. So 4-hour time frame, this is our week, and pretty much is what I was talking about last week, expectation of breakout of this pattern. We had triangle, which I was also saying bullish flag, yeah, and we had a really strong jump, and market started to retrace, like come back. Okay, so pull back. So I just want to show you daily chart, which would be a bit better. This is just trying to explain to you what I was talking about, this move. My expectation was of breaking out this area, and I have a few of the channels you see crossing levels around here. That's what I was saying last week, that I didn't see yet a reverse for the price to go back, but waiting for another move and giving us something similar to what happened this week. You can see, guys, that the candle with the wick, and then we have another red candle. I mean, okay, weekly we have also it's a small green candle but with a very big wick, so now it's more showing to me of reverse. Okay, so now that's why, as you can see, guys, I have this sell which I'm keeping at this moment. With the opening of the market, we will see if it continue to go down, or maybe it will have a little bit of consolidation. But anyway, from here is I'm more towards now going down, because we do know that Fed is not going to cut the rates, right? So it was obvious in March he wouldn't do it, and now until June it's not going to be happening. But a lot of speculation that he might start to cut in June. But of course, again, he didn't say anything. I still can't see it, but you never know. Of course, they're going to look at economical numbers, right? So yeah, in my still expectation, it's not going to be happening. But if it will, it will. But before June would be a bit more logical that gold should start to correct, right? Have a bit of a correction. So that's how I see it at this moment. Unless something unexpected happens again, we know the other problems with the political situation in the world, right? Could be anything else. And if I will just not talk about it, if something happens, of course, gold can continue up and jump and anything else, and people expecting it to see to 300, to 500, 3000 even, but in my opinion it's not just yet. Okay, it will be happening sometime in the future, but not just yet. So at this moment, looking just at that picture, I can see the reversal pattern here also is a double top, which I was telling you about. That's what I was expecting, the breakout of this top, creating another one, nice spin. And gold just love to create new maximums or minimums as double tops, double bottoms, right? And it's created exactly that. I mean, at this moment it's just like, it's just too obvious, it's just too good to be true. Yeah, I don't know, will it be true or not? We will see, because with my system it doesn't really matter. But of course, if I want to have keep the sell as a long term, of course I would love to keep it right to 2067, about this area. As you can see, I highlighted as a yellow. That's my expectation of this move, that because you see we have this little trend channel, uptrend, and also interesting area. It's quite strong because we broke a bigger picture, if you'll see here, right? This is where all of these other levels coming from the bigger time frames. We had here also a kind of a triangle pattern, right? And right now we can see a breakout of this very strong resistance area, right? We had this tops, which is roughly 2067, 2060, this area, right? That's why I highlighted as yellow, because we have pins. It could be plus, minus, higher, lower. And so right now we broke it. And what can happen is that, the confirmation of the breakout, we have like really strong green candle, okay, on the monthly. As you can see, it's a big, well, I mean, the month is not finished yet, so anything can happen in the rest of the month. We might actually end up seeing a big pin. So that's why I'm saying we just broke it. And if, for example, we go down to 2067 on this area and stay above it, then I would say, yeah, we probably will be trying to continue going up, right? On the other hand, if it's not going to survive this area, 2067 is breakout, then I would say this was a false breakout, right? So then we can come back inside and back again inside this triangle. This is a little bit talking further, might not happen this week, but you never know, because we do have this is the whole year, you see, so it's all during the year could happen, all these manipulations, but we have so many different things going on this year, like again, interest rate cuts, president election in the US, right? So it's all about the US, because gold, dollar against dollar, is that what we're looking at, the US situation, economical and political. And that's why, for example, it might not have big drops or just yet, right? Until it's all will be clear with the political situation out there and what's going to be happening with interest rates. So that's a big picture. It's a whole month, so whole year. That's why here it's yeah, what can happen, and just we can come back before June, right? So before the possible cut to the rates, and stay in this kind of like triangle area. Like I would say, yeah, I would expect breaking out 2067, for example, 2050, wherever that area, we're going through inside, and we can stay below 2000. So, and I wouldn't be excluding the areas like 1970 something, around this support level of this little channel, right? So it could be quite before June, staying slightly below 2000. Okay, so that's kind of what I can see at this moment. It's still going to be not going any further, right? Because that's where our triangle is, right? So that's our triangle. See, there was previously also breakout down of this beginning of the creation of the triangle. And then possibly if there will be nothing in June happening with cuts of the rates, then it's possible that gold might go even further. But it's just a bit too far to talk about. But just roughly I'm showing you the picture, what I can see at this moment. Of course, on the other hand, we can easily continue the way up, right? We can go much higher, but it's just I can't see it according to with the just first of all technically, right? The picture of the last week showing us, and also the Fed is not cutting rates yet. So that's my main points at this moment. Looking forward for gold to go down, and so first, of course, we need to break the area of 2150. It might have a little bit, it might would hold it. Maybe we'll have a bit of consolidation, or maybe we'll break it and come back and then continue. Still, I would my view at this moment, I can't see continue of going up. I have to say, yes, we kind of closed a little bit higher than the previous week opening. We had the closing, right? The previous week closing and this week opening, and it's closed out a little bit high. So it didn't break 2150 last week. So if it would have possibly break it out and stay below, then I would be a bit more confident continuation of the way down. But it might be opening the market, break out, come back, sit slightly above or below, and then still, in my opinion, it will be continue down to this area. This is where it will be a strong support and fight around this 2060, wherever 50, 40, where we have this previous really strong breakout, right? So I don't think we will break it straight away. It will go back and start it to just accumulate something again here. We will see what, maybe it will be a pattern or something else. But like I'm saying, if there is nothing else will be happening in this week, that's how I see this picture, guys. Okay, so that's just at this moment, that's the only way I see it. So that's pretty much it. It's a bit quick today because that's what it is. It's a bit more clarity for me. And of course, don't forget to take all the risks to yourself. If you are following my, well, I wouldn't say signals. It's just I'm sharing with you my trades, okay, what I do, my thoughts, and it's up to you. You decide if you want to follow or not. And of course, use the smallest lot size, especially if you're using it with my EA, because we do have recovery system. I think it was one or two losing trades which were recovered straight away, okay, this week. And I had quite a lot of instant trades I was sending and sharing, even though again it was not my full week of trading. So I had being busy with other things, and this was only pretty much a part-time trading. So that's it. Just want to tell you, yes, all risks is up to you. You take for yourself, okay? All risk, all decisions, profits and losses you make, it's all your own decisions, okay? And use the money management, okay? So that's pretty much it. If you like the video, guys, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy trading, everyone. I'll talk to you next week. Bye.